The EK-WL8-TRH wireless translator module is the main device in the Ekho system. The translator controls wireless field devices, has an integrated short circuit isolator, and connects directly to the fire control panel via Hochiki's ESP Enhanced Systems protocol. This allows the control panel to manage and control the wireless devices seamlessly, as if they were a part of its loop. The translator communicates with the Ekho wireless devices operating in the range of 868 MHz with a maximum power of 25 mW. The translator can connect a combination of up to 126 expander modules and devices in a wireless mesh network and transmit all events back to the fire control panel. This is dependent on local installation standards. The communication range of the translator with wireless devices is 1200 meters in open air, and with expander modules, 2000 meters in open air. The translator is powered directly by the analog loop of the fire control panel. The unit comes with a user manual and fixings. The EK-WL8-TRH housing is made of white, non-combustible ABS plastic and consists of two parts: the backplate, to which the PCB is attached, and a cover which is fixed to the backplate using two securing latches. The backplate has mounting holes for installing the device, and an optional mounting box is also available. The PCB is supplied with a label indicating date of manufacture, and the translator has a 3-year warranty from this date. To open the translator module, unclip the securing latches and remove the cover. The following components are located on the main board: loop wiring terminals, micro USB, Tamper switch, antennas terminals, short circuit isolator indicator, RF link indicator, screen for system setup and maintenance, buttons for screen menu operation. Wireless expanders and devices can be programmed to the EK-WL8-TRH via the Ekho configurator software or via the menu of the translator module itself. Connect the translator to a laptop using a USB micro USB cable. As an example, the following explains how to program the wireless optical smoke sensor EK-WL8-O. Prior to programming, the sensor should be powered up. Remove the sensor from its base and remove the battery isolating tab before refitting to the base. To program the sensor, launch the Ekho configurator software. Select controller type WL8-TRH. Select EK-WL8-TRH by left-clicking. In the Properties window, select USB port Argus Spectre TRH. To program the translator, right-click the WL8-TRH icon and select Programming Program. A plus symbol will appear in the prog column after successful programming. In order to add the sensor to the system, click the translator EK-WL8-TRH. Next, right-click and open the context menu, select Add Fire Detectors EK-WL8-O. To edit the sensor properties, highlight the sensor by left-clicking. In the right-hand window, its properties will be displayed, which can be changed. To program the sensor, right-click the EK-WL8-O icon, select Programming, Initialize. Press the prog button on the rear of the sensor housing. The initialization window will show the last 4 symbols of the unique serial number of the device. Use the mouse to select the line with the serial number of the sensor EK-WL8-O and click the Continue button. A plus symbol will appear in the Init column against the EK-WL8-O after successful programming. This programming method applies to all Ekho field devices. To save the configuration file and to write the settings to the translator, right-click the Apply Changes button. A plus symbol will appear in the prog column against both the EK-WL8-TRH and EK-WL8-O after successful completion of the programming process. The system is now ready for operation, and the translator module can now be hardwired to the fire control panel's ESP loop. The screen on the translator's PCB can be used for system setup and maintenance. It allows you to add new devices, view connection strength and the state of the devices, as well as send different control commands. More importantly, Translator menu allows you to manage the addresses of wireless devices in the control panel. While setting up the system, you'll need to specify the starting address in the configuration section of the menu. It will correspond to the translator module itself, and all wireless devices will occupy the necessary number of subsequent addresses in ascending order. In the Loop menu, you can see the full list of occupied addresses and how they correspond to wireless devices in the system. The EK-WL8-TRH operates at a frequency of 868 MHz with maximum power of 25 mW. The translator can connect a combination of expander modules and devices in a self-configuring wireless mesh network and transmit all events to the fire control panel. The communication range of the translator with wireless devices is 1,200 meters in open air and with expander modules 2,000 meters in open air. The translator is powered directly by the analog loop of the fire control panel and has been designed to comply with EN 54, parts 17, 18 and 25 and is certified by BRE LPCB. The wireless translator module controls wireless field devices and connects directly to a fire control panel via the Hochiki ESP Enhanced Systems Protocol. The wireless translator module is easily programmed using free software Ekho Configurator or via the menu of its onboard display. The translator module is easy to install. The use of wireless technology accelerates installation works, saves on expensive cabling, and fully complies with regulations. Ekho, no wires, no limits.